Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on step one of being a social media star, and that means posting on social media. And for this one, we're going to focus on caption my video, and here I can use my AI profile. I'm going to use my AI writing style. I don't really need an objective or business profile or tone. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to describe my video that's required, and I'm going to call it myAI. And what do I want this caption to be about? How easy it is to caption a social post using myAI. So that's it. And I'm going to click to generate. So I asked it to create a caption about how easy it is to caption a social post using myAI. I described my video as myAI. And what's going to happen here is it's going to create the perfect caption for different platforms. So you can see here for Facebook Reels, for Instagram, right? For YouTube, and even for TikTok. So if I go to Instagram as an example, I'm going to click to get started, and I'm going to choose here. I'm going to create, and I'm going to select something from my computer. So here, what I have is how to post using the surprise me button. So I'm going to upload that right here. I'm going to change
so in this video, what we're going to
here.
do is share with you the very first.
And then next. I'm going to write the caption that was given to me. Okay. Using my AI. And I'm going to click on share. And just like that, I'm able to create a post for Instagram, but I'm creating an Instagram reel, right? That short video, it'll create a great reel for me, but using the caption that's suggested to me by myAI. Now we can do this exact same thing while this is uploading. We're going to go over here. We're going to go to TikTok. We're going to click to get started and post on TikTok. I'm going to show you here. I'm going to upload my video. So you're going to go right over here, right? You can choose to upload. And I'm going to select a file. I'm going to try to choose something short here. That's our surprise me button. It's going to upload. And I can paste the caption that was given to me that's optimized, obviously, for TikTok. I can come here and then I'm just going to click to post. It's uploading right now, but that's how easy it is. You can post from myAI to TikTok right here from your desktop with the perfect caption. This is how easy it is to caption your videos using myAI. Thanks so much for watching.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below, or in the comments that's pinned, or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.